101 food items in Igbo. Nri, nri, food. Some people call it nni, nni, food. Ọjị, ọjị. This particular species is called Echiche Igbo. Ọjị, ọjị, kola nut. Aki ilu, aki ilu, bitter kola. Some people call it akụ inu, akụ inu, akụ inu, bitter kola. Akụ ilu, bitter kola. Akụ inu, bitter kola. Aṅara, aṅara, garden egg or eggplant. Aṅara, garden egg or eggplant. Some people call it afufa, and there are some varieties that are particularly called afufa. Afufa, garden egg or eggplant. Aṅara, garden egg or eggplant. Ose ọjị, ose ọjị. Ose ọjị is a spicy peanut paste that's the peanut is ground with pepper and a couple of spices, and is used to eat either ọjị or aṅara. Ose ọjị, ose ọjị. Azụ, azụ, fish. Anụ, anụ, meat. Anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ, chicken. Anụ ehi, anụ ehi, beef. In some dialects, it's anụ efi, anụ efi, anụ efi, beef. Anụ ehi, anụ ehi, beef. Anụ ewu, anụ ewu, goat meat. Anụ ewu, goat meat. Anụ ezi, anụ ezi, pork. Ose, ose, pepper. Ose bekee, ose bekee, bell peppers. Ji, ji, yam. Ọka, ọka, corn or maize. Ede, ede, cocoyam or taro. Akpụ, akpụ, cassava. Nduku, nduku, potatoes. Otuboala, otuboala, tomatoes. Mkpụrụ osisi, mkpụrụ osisi, fruits. Apple, apples. Or another name is for it is udara bekee. Apples, udara bekee, apples, or you call it apple. Ọkwụrụ bekee, ọkwụrụ bekee, papaya or pawpaw. Ube oyibo, ube oyibo, avocado. Some people call it ube bekee, avocado. So you either call it ube oyibo or ube bekee, avocado. Ube, ube, African butter pear. Akụ, akụ, nuts or ake, ake, nuts. This is the general name for nuts, but when you want to say which nut, you say akụ, then you add the name of the nut. Akụ oyibo, akụ oyibo, coconut. Or you could say aki oyibo, coconut. They mean the same thing. Mkpụrụ, mkpụrụ, seeds. It's just like the aki or ako, nuts. You say you say mkpụrụ and then you say what mkpụrụ it is. Mkpụrụ aki or mkpụrụ oroma, orange seeds, or mkpụrụ ụda. Mkpụrụ seeds. Akwa, eggs. Unere, bananas. Oroma, oranges. Mkpụrụ vine, grapes. Ube ọcha, pear. Udara, African star apple. Ujiri, mango. Some people call it ugiri, mango. Ujiri or ugiri, mango. Mmiri ara, milk. Mmiri, water. Mkpụrụ mmiri, ice. Ọtọ bịrịbịrị, sugar. achịcha ọka, achịcha ọka, cereal, coffee, 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 tea, 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 chocolate ọṅụṅụ, chocolate ọṅụṅụ, hot chocolate, akamu, akamu, cream of corn or pap, cheese, 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 pizza, 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 yogurt, 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 nri abụba, nri abụba, butter. Some people call it mmanụ achịcha, mmanụ achịcha, butter. Abirika, abirika. Some people call it ogede. Some people also call it jioko. Abirika, abirika, plantain, ogede, ogede, plantain, jioko, jioko, plantain. So you choose the one that will be easy for you to remember. Abotata, abotata, carrots. Some people call it carrot. Abotata, carrots, carrot, carrots. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Anyunda, anyunda, cucumber. Ụtụ, ụtụ, flour. Nnu, nnu, salt. Ngwa nri, ngwa nri, spices. Mmanụ, mmanụ, oil. Mkpụrụ akwụ, mkpụrụ akwụ, palm fruit. Mmanụ akwụ, mmanụ akwụ, palm oil. Some people call it mmanụ nri, mmanụ nri, mmanụ nri, palm oil. Okporoko, okporoko, stockfish. Osikapa, osikapa, rice. Agwa, agwa, beans. ụkwa ụkwa breadfruit akịdị akịdị cowpea mgbadume mgbadume donuts achịcha achịcha bread achịcha ụtọ achịcha ụtọ cake achịcha ọkpọọ achịcha ọkpọọ cookies or biscuits mmiri oroma mmiri oroma orange juice chocolate chocolate chocolates achịcha awai achịcha awai sandwich achịcha nduku achịcha nduku French fries or chips akwụoru akwụoru pineapple nkwụaba nkwụaba pineapple. So you either call it akwụoru or nkwụaba pineapple. Ọkwụrụ ọkwụrụ okra, or some people call it okra. But it's interesting to note that this name okra or okra originated from the Igbo name okwuru. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Oromilu, oromilu. Lemon. Oroma nkịrịsị, oroma nkịrịsị. Lime. Anyụ mmiri, anyụ mmiri. Watermelon. Ahụekere, ahụekere. Peanuts or groundnuts. Some people call it opapa. So it's either ahụekere or you call it opapa. Udoyi, udoyi. Ice cream. Omeyo, omeyo. Candies or sweets. Some people call it ihe nracha. Ihe nracha, candies and sweets. Omeyo, omeyo, candies and sweets. Ọka agbara agba. Ọka agbara agba. Popcorn. Some people call it ọka ụdanta. Ọka ụdanta, popcorn. So you either call it ọka agbara agba, ọka agbara agba, or ọka ụdanta, ọka ụdanta, popcorn. Shawanshop, shawanshop. Soursop. Salad, salad, salad. Guava, guava, guava. Mmeme, mmeme, pepper fruit. Icheku, icheku, velvet tamarind. Yabasi, yabasi, onions. Isha, isha, prawn or crayfish or shrimp. Akwụkwọ nri, akwụkwọ nri, vegetables. Ugu, ugu, pumpkin leaves. Inine, inine, kalalu, amaranth or green. Most people know this vegetable as green in Nigeria, but the Igbo name is inine. Green, amaranth or kalalu, inine. In West Indies, most people in the West Indies know this vegetable as kalalu, and amaranth is I think it came from the botanical name, but it's inine in Igbo. Nchụanwụ, nchụanwụ, scent leaf. Onugbu, onugbu, bitter leaf. Mbolodi, mbolodi, water leaf. Ogbono, ogbono, wild mango seeds. Egusi, egusi, egusi or melon seeds. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Azụ ọkpọọ, azụ ọkpọọ, dry and or smoked fish. Some people call it mangala. Azụ ọkpọọ, dry or smoked fish. Ụgba, ụgba, shredded oil bean. Some people know it as ubaka. So ụgba or ubaka means shredded oil bean. Ụgba, ụgba, shredded oil bean. Ubaka, ubaka, shredded oil bean. Abacha, abacha, cassava strips. Is also known as jibo, jibo, cassava strips. So abacha or jibo, cassava strips. Ero, ero, mushroom. 101 food items in Igbo. Get our 100 free printable Igbo flashcards at www.learnibonow.com. And so once you download it and print it, you can hold in your hands, and there's audio support. So when you don't know how to pronounce any word on the flashcard, you put your phone and the QR code will lead you to a link where you listen to the correct pronunciation. And this will help you in your journey to mastering Igbo words and starting your journey in getting fluent in Igbo language. Go on, Messia. See you on the next video.